In this video, I will show you how to schedule a meeting in Zoom. Zoom is a great app for hosting meetings due to the amount of features that you can do with Zoom, such as, for example, sharing your screen, inviting group participants, sharing documents, and many other features. Now, to get started, of course, what you're going to want to do first is make sure you have Zoom installed and downloaded. To do that, open up a new internet browser, and what you want to do is come across to Google and Google search for Zoom. What you can then do is come across to the official website, which is zoom.com. Now, from here, what you're going to want to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom, and at the bottom, you're going to see a download section. So what you want to do is click where it says Zoom Workplace App. Once you've done that, it's going to take you to the download page for Zoom. So once you're here, what you want to do is click on download 64-bit. Some of you might still have 32-bit, but the majority of PCs and laptops now is 64-bit. So give that a click, and that's going to download the installer onto your PC. Here we are back on my desktop. The installer is now finished downloading. So to locate this, come down to your search box in your taskbar at the bottom and just go ahead and type File Explorer. Then open up File Explorer underneath Best Match. And what that's going to do is open up a window like this. And from here, if you come across to the left-hand side, you should see a Downloads section. So give the Download section a click. And then what you can do is double click on Zoom Installer 4 just here. And that's going to go ahead and start installing Zoom on your PC. Once you've followed the steps and installed Zoom, you're going to get a window saying the installation was successful. Just go ahead and click Done, and what you can then do is go ahead and sign in with your Zoom account. Once you're signed in, you'll be on the home screen for Zoom. Now, to go ahead and schedule a meeting, what you want to do, you can see we got some different options here. You want to click onto Schedule, and this way you can come to actually schedule your meeting. So you can put the date here and the time that the meeting will run for. So for example, if I wanted to do this on the 30th of August, and let's say we wanted to do it from 1:30 until 2 o'clock on the 30th of August. Then what you can do is come down underneath and select your time zone. And once that's done, you can choose whether to repeat or not. And what you can do is add your invitees by entering their email address. Scrolling down, you'll see there's an option to create a meeting agenda. So that's going to give an overview of what the meeting is about. And you're also going to see the security section, which means that only users who have the invite link or the passcode, which is going to be generated here, can join the meeting. You can also take the option for waiting room, which means that only users admitted by the host can join the meeting. So you'll get a notification on the meeting when someone's in the waiting room, and you'll have to accept them for them to join the meeting. You can see there's some more options you can set up, for example, for your video to be on or off for participants and yourself as the host. Now, once you're happy with everything, all you need to do is come down and click save. There is some more options as well with some further things you can do for the meeting. Once you click save, that's going to go ahead and schedule that meeting. Now, if you actually come across to the right-hand side, this is like your planner as well. So if you actually change the date, so we scheduled ours for the 30th, I'm going to click here, click onto the 30th, and you're going to see your meetings in here. This is like your calendar with all your meetings. So that is how to schedule a meeting in Zoom. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.